a quaint village nestled amidst rolling hills and serene forests, there lived a man named Yuji. He was not particularly wealthy, nor was he known for his extraordinary talents. Yet, Yuji commanded a unique and powerful force, the respect and attention of everyone who crossed his path. His story is not one of grand achievements or material success, but a tale of inner wisdom and the art of connecting with others on a profound level. Number 1. The humble beginnings of Yuji. In a picturesque village, we meet Yuji, an unassuming man whose wisdom and presence make him stand out. Number 2. The power of listening. Yuji's secret. He listens attentively, offering people the rare gift of feeling heard and understood. Chapter 3. The Art of Empathy. Yuji's remarkable ability to empathize with people's joys and sorrows forms the foundation of his respect and influence. Number 4. Silence speaks louder than words. Yuji's practice of silence as a powerful communication tool, enabling him to connect with others on a deeper level. Number 5. Living in the present moment. Yuji's embrace of the present moment, teaching others to do the same, and the profound impact this has on his relationships. Number 6. The transformative power of kindness. Yuji's kindness towards everyone he meets and how it fosters genuine connections with people from all walks of life. Number 7. Wisdom in simplicity. Yuji's simplicity in thought and lifestyle, which brings clarity and authenticity to his interactions. Number 8. Earning respect, not demanding it. How Yuji never seeks respect but naturally earns it through his actions and presence. Number 9. Embracing imperfection. Yuji's recognition of the beauty in imperfection and how it makes him relatable to others. Number 10. The ripple effect. The impact of Yuji's wisdom on the entire village and how his influence spreads far beyond. Number 11. Lessons from Zen masters. Insights from renowned Zen masters that echo Yuji's approach to gaining respect and attention. Number 12. Yuji's legacy. Yuji's enduring legacy and the invaluable lessons he imparts to the village. Number 13. A simple truth. The ultimate revelation. Gaining respect and attention doesn't require grand gestures, but the ability to connect on a profound level. Number 14. Applying Yuji's wisdom. Practical tips for incorporating Yuji's wisdom into our own lives. Number 15. Conclusion. The power of respect. Summing up the story of Yuji, a man who showed us that universal respect is within everyone's reach. In this 15 tips journey through Zen wisdom and the remarkable life of Yuji, you'll discover the simple yet powerful principles that allowed him to gain the respect and attention of all those who encountered him. Through his story, you'll learn how to apply these principles to your own life, forging meaningful connections and leaving a lasting impact on those around you. Yuji's life serves as a timeless example of the extraordinary potential found within the ordinary moments of our lives.